Cada día doy las gracias a esta vida.
So we're coming into our room and a queen size bed. Very nice plush pillows. Nice mirror to make the room feel bigger, right? And a good TV. A little desk.
Hey, they left a hat and water and sunglasses for us.
This is the cool part right here. This is our deck. Let's see if I can open this up. Just pull it. Okay. Here's the bathroom. It's very tiny.
I'll tell you what, the closet area is nice, isn't it?
It's going to be nice because we have
provided hangers.
We have a lot of luggage.
Yeah.
Be able to hang up a lot of stuff.
And this is almost like an RV.
It is tiny. It's a tiny bathroom.
It is.
Let's see. The shower is tinier than an RV shower, but does have a line for your clothes.
Okay.
Which will be nice.
Yeah. Got enough storage there, I guess.
It'll do. This will do, and it will get you used to RV bathrooms, right?
Yeah, I like this area for sure. And the balcony's special.
Let me try now. Oh, it's nice and soft. Yeah, I think I could like cruise life.
Yeah.
Soon after the cruise started, John joined the Mr. Sexy Legs contest.
So we are going to be walking all around the pool until we get back to right here. Show off this. All right, you guys come on back. Let's see, tell us your name and where you're from.
I'm from John. I'm from OHIO.
That's the Ohio mating call.
Carnival Jubilee. We then go to Belize.
We noticed that on a cruise, the nighttime is a time for you to get dressed up, have a great dinner, and get entertained.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
It's called the Princess Love Boat Dream. What are you having, honey?
Caramel, pecan, cheesecake.
How is it?
Turtle cheesecake.
Good, huh?
This brand new tattoo. But it's a real beauty.
We spent a lot of time at the Princess Theater. This was a great place for magic shows, game shows, and great music.
All right. Certainly won't get bored on a cruise, Julie.
Mm-hmm. You want to know
What was your favorite entertainment on the cruise?
Okay.
It's hard to pick, I think.
For sure. I would say the very best time was the 80s dance party. Poolside. I had a great time. All of our friends were out dancing, and so many other people on the ship were having a great time.
Yep.
I love that. And I would say I get to pick two.
All right,
because it's
we'll pick two.
It's cruise. My second is Mr. Sexy Leg contest.
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
check it out.
Did you know somebody that was entered into that?
Yes,
Ah.
Mr. Sexy Legs.
Yeah, I did.
What was your favorite?
Entertainment wise,
Yeah.
I think comedian. I thought he was pretty good. Second was the last night where we had the two voice contestants
Yeah.
here singing.
Yeah, I have a list because it's so hard to remember
Yes,
all the things you
definitely.
can do in
You're not gonna,
entertainment.
you won't run out of things.
80s music trivia. That was also fun. Remember that? We
Yeah,
got together
all of
with
us
all our
did
friends.
that. That was good.
Was 32 weeks.
And then the last thing I have listed here that we haven't already talked about is Club Fusion dancing. And that happens from 11 to 2 a.m. We never made it to 2 a.m.
No, we were up.
Loved it. And Tina and I enjoyed ourselves dancing, having a great time. And so many people just letting loose, and they know they're on vacation to have the best time.
Yeah.
So lots of entertainment choices. There were lots of great ways to stay active and fit on the cruise, including ping pong, pickleball, walking around the track, dancing, and even weightlifting. Princess Cruise also has a great fitness center. Let's take a look. Weights. Lots of cardio machines.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to Cozumel.
And
The gangways
this is
today
really
are
cool.
located
They
on
have
Gala Deck.
a lot of treadmills that look right over the ocean. See what you
by
see.
using the forward and midship stairwells and elevators. Once again,
Exercise room for exercise classes with like some bikes. So glad there were options for us to stay fit. We needed it with all of the food options. It was almost overwhelming. This is just the options for breakfast at the buffet. Omelet, fresh fruit,
Another couple out there.
made to order.
He had now.
Another thing that we did on the cruise, and we did it a lot, was hanging out by the pools. That was one of our favorite things, and
There were
there are
four
four of
of
them. So
them.
what was your favorite out of the four, Julie?
Anytime I can get some shade and also be warm, because you know water gets cold in the shade, is the last adult pool that has a hot tub and it's quiet and kids aren't yelling and splashing me. I love that one.
And it has a big sun lounge or whatever where you can sit. There's 3 layers, 3 decks to it, which is nice. You know, you get the shade. You have people who want to sit out in the sun. And then in the middle of the boat are 2 family pools with hot tubs. One has a big screen, and the other has a DJ most of the day.
That's fun.
And then the 4th pool is at the back of the boat, and that is also an adult-only pool.
So what we end up doing is going to all of them.
Yeah, we tried to.
And you know, going from one to the other, and if one's getting too busy or whatever, just move on to the next one. So it's our very last day here on the cruise, and this is our first time on a cruise. So what are your thoughts about being on a cruise? Do you think you could do it again? That kind of thing.
Yeah. I would definitely do it again. It's fun. It was good that we did it with a group of people the first time, and they were good about sharing what they knew and what to do, and that was helpful for us. And it's fun. And it's fun to go with a group of people. I think I see in the future that we may do it on our own too. Either way, it doesn't matter. But there's a lot to do, a lot to eat, a lot to drink. My golly,
I did
worth
look it up, John.
Okay,
and
yes.
So we have a premier package, and that means that all your drinks are free with the package. Food, they have specialty dining for free. You get pictures, priority seating in the theater, If you're kind of running late, there's usually seats saved for those people that get that full package. Room service, free. Also comes with great room service. He does an excellent job of making the beds and the towels twice a day, I'm pretty sure. They know when we're not here.
At least twice a day.
Very nice. So here's the cost, right?
Okay.
Per person, it's $2,100 for an 8-day cruise.
That's it?
That's it. So per person, it's $262 a day. That's pretty good.
That's great.
Yeah. So it makes me think, I don't know, we talked about maybe in the future getting not one of these balconies, maybe an inner cabin, see how much money we can save. But I do like the full package, so we'll have to see. I guess the bottom line is it's our first time cruise. Will we repeat this?
Definitely.
Yes.
It's impressive.
Yes.
It is impressive.
Yeah.
Make sure you're subscribed and join us next week to see the best cruise excursions around. We'll explore downtown Cozumel, climb the Mayan ruins, snorkel the Belize barrier reef, and soak in the beaches of Rutan.
So until next time,
Let our next trail
help you find your next trail.